What if I told you that you, even if you've never touched an RC plane in your life, could take to the skies and land safely on your very first flight? Sounds impossible? It's not. Let me introduce you to the Carbon Cub S2. This is the HobbyZone Carbon Cub S2, a 1.3-meter ready-to-fly RC airplane from Horizon Hobby. And it's not just any RC plane. It is hands down the most capable, versatile, and beginner-friendly RC aircraft ever built. Inspired by the real-world Cub crafter's Carbon Cub, this thing looks and flies like a dream. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pilot who wants a fun, capable flyer, this plane checks every single box. Now here's what makes this plane truly special: SAFE technology. That stands for Sensor Assisted Flight Envelope. Think of it as an invisible co-pilot flying alongside you. SAFE actively prevents the three biggest killers of beginner RC pilots: over-controlling, losing orientation, and crashes. It literally limits how far the plane can bank or pitch, keeping you inside a safe flight envelope at all times. And the genius part is, it comes with 3 flight modes. Flip a switch on your transmitter and you've got beginner mode, maximum stability. The plane practically flies itself, perfect if today's day 1. Intermediate mode, a bit more freedom. You're getting more control as your confidence builds. And experienced mode, full control is yours, no limits. Fly like a pro. And no matter which mode you're in, if things go sideways, just hold down the panic recovery button. One press. The plane instantly levels out and returns to stable flight. It's like an emergency parachute for your plane. Let's talk tech, because the Carbon Cub S2 is packed with it. It runs a 30-amp telemetry-capable ESC that streams real-time data, motor RPM, current draw, battery voltage, directly to your transmitter. You'll always know exactly what your power system is doing. The RTF version ships with a Spectrum DXS 2.4 GHz transmitter, a 3S 2200 mAh Smart LiPo battery that delivers seriously long flight times, and an S120 USB-C smart charger. Everything in one box. That smart battery and charger combination is a big deal. It takes the guesswork out of charging LiPo batteries, which, if you know, can be tricky. The smart system handles it automatically, safely, and correctly every time. Here's another thing I absolutely love about this plane. It is a total terrain beast. Those oversized Tundra-style tires, they let you take off and land on grass, gravel, dirt trails, and pavement. You don't need a perfectly manicured runway. Your local park works just fine. But wait, want to fly off water? Install the optional floats and you've got yourself a seaplane. Seriously, one aircraft, endless environments. And if you want to level up further, you can add Safe Plus GPS technology. That unlocks AutoLand, the plane automatically lands itself, and a virtual fence that keeps the aircraft within a set boundary. You can also add the landing assist sensor, which automatically flares the nose up just before touchdown for smoother, gentler landings every time. Setup is refreshingly simple. The durable EPO airframe comes with all the electronics: flight controller, receiver, brushless motor, ESC, and servos already factory installed. No glue, no special tools. You're assembling wings and going flying, not spending a weekend in the workshop. The brushless power system is powerful, efficient, and smooth. And for experienced pilots, there's a BNF Basic version that works with your existing Spectrum transmitter and any batteries you already own. Horizon Hobby thought of everything. I've flown a lot of RC planes, and this one genuinely stands out. The moment you throttle up in beginner mode for the first time, you feel how forgiving it is. There's a natural, almost calming confidence that comes with knowing SAFE has your back. Landing, which is the hardest part for most beginners, feels manageable. With the landing assist sensor active, the approach practically guides itself. After my 3rd flight, I was landing consistently and smoothly. And when I switched to experienced mode, the plane is responsive, fast, and genuinely fun. It scales with your skill. That's rare. So, is the Carbon Cub S2 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a brand new pilot who's always dreamed of flying, or an experienced hobbyist looking for a versatile, smart, and gorgeous aircraft, this plane delivers. It's beginner-proof, expandable, and just genuinely fun to fly. Links to grab yours are down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe, because we've got more RC reviews, flight tips, and tutorials coming your way every week. Now stop watching videos and go fly something. See you in the skies.
PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.